Morning, everyone. My topic is doctor, patient, and receptionist. Receptionist Dev, and
Pooja.
patient is Pooja. And my name is Shivam, and I am doctor. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Okay.
How can I help you?
Yes, I want to meet a doctor.
Okay. Can you appointment?
Yes.
Name is,
Name is Pooja.
age,
Age 20.
leave.
Live Delhi. Delhi in Uttam Nagar.
Okay, your appointment is fixed for 1.5 hour because
Okay.
already
Okay.
many
Okay.
people.
No
are
issue. I will wait. Okay. Only half hour.
1.5 hour.
Okay. Okay.
That is your.
Okay.
Please
Okay.
1.5 hour later.
After
Ma'am,
1 hour.
please your turn is and you can
Okay.
go.
Good morning,
Good morning.
doctor.
Good morning. Morning. What can I help you?
Sir, my hand is not working because yesterday night I have fall down, so my hand is not working. Some swelling, so hand is not working.
Oh,
Very pain is.
you can do X-ray of this hand.
No, sir. First time I check it.
I will give you X-ray, and you will check
Okay.
the bone was broke or not.
Okay.
And then I will, if the bone was not broke, then I will give you medicines.
Okay.
And any other problem?
No, sir. Only hand is swelling and pain very.
Okay.
Which compounder X-ray?
Is in room number 12.
Room number 12.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you go and then you will come here?
Okay, sir. What when report when time?
The report was come in 3 or 4 hours.
3 or 4 hours.
Yes.
Okay,
Then you,
after 3 or 4 hours, I
then you
will
will
check.
come to me. Yes.
Okay, 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 sir. Thank you. After 3 hours, sir. This is extra report. So you check it and
The report is fine. You don't broke you have never, your bone is not broke
okay.
and you have only pain.
Yes.
So
Very
and
pain.
swelling also.
Yes,
So
sir.
I can give you 3 days medicine. You will take rest. Don't handle the heavy work from this hand.
Okay.
So take the medicine from the dispensary near the hospital.
Okay. Chemist.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And any other problem you have?
No, sir. Only that is problem because what do you eat?
You eat only light food
Light food.
or do you drink water?
What I can eat food?
You can eat light food.
Light food.
Yes, you can eat light food and drink more water.
Okay. Drink warm
More,
water.
more water.
Okay, sir.
Take uh, take 3 liters in a day and take boil egg.
Can I exercise some movement like?
Yes, can you move the hand like this?
Okay.
Not take.
That is not problem. My hand.
Don't take free. Don't take burden on that hand.
Okay. Only some exercise move.
Oh, yes, only move the hand.
Okay.
Now go.
Okay. Can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Our act is over.
Clap for time. Next.